बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल जीनियस ग्रूव एकेडमी। 10th क्लास फिजिक्स फुल बुक चैप्टर वाइज एमसीक्यूज शेयर करेंगे। फिजिक्स का पेपर टोटल 60 नंबर का होता है, जिसमें 48 मार्क्स सब्जेक्टिव के होते हैं, जिसमें शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन होते हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन 30 नंबर के और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन 18 नंबर के होते हैं और 12 नंबर की मरूज़ी आती है। अगर आप ये वीडियो को मुकम्मल देखते हैं तो आपको 12 नंबर मरूज़ी में से गारंटी से मिलेंगे। अगर बिलफर्ज आपकी तैयारी नहीं है तो 25 नंबर वाला बच्चा पास होता है। तो अगर आप शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और मरूज़ी करते हैं तो आप पास हो जाएंगे। फिज़िक्स के अहम जो शॉर्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन मरूज़ी गेस पेपर 2024 चैनल पर पहले ही शेयर किए जा चुके हैं। तो अगर आपको गेस पेपर 2024 चाहिए तो आप चैनल पर विजिट करें या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करके उन गेस पेपर्स को हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो नंबर 12 सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन एंड वेव्स। हर क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ करेक्ट आंसर बोलूँगी ताकि वीडियो लेंथी ना हो जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन। राइट आंसर है मोशन ऑफ अ सिंपल पेंडुलम। क्वेश्चन 2, if the mass of a bob of a pendulum is increased by a factor of 3, the period of the pendulum's motion will. Right answer remain the same. Question 3, if the same of the bob is decreased by the factor 2, then period of pendulum will be. Right answer remain the same. Question 4, which of the following devices can be used to produce both transfer and longitudinal waves. Right answer है helical spring. Question 5, waves transfer. Right answer है energy. Question 6, which of the following is the method of energy transfer. Right answer है all of these. Question 7, in vacuum all electromagnetic waves have the same. Right answer है speed. Question 8, a large ripple tank with a vibrator working at a frequency of 30 Hz produces 25 complete waves in a distance of 50 centimeter. The velocity of the wave is. Right answer है 60 meter per second. Question number 9, which of the following characteristics of a wave is independent of the others. Right answer है amplitude. Question 10, the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength of a wave is. Right answer है f lambda is equal v. Question 11, the product of frequency and wavelength is equal to. Right answer है wave speed. Question 12, in simple pendulum motion the storing force is provided by. Right answer है weight of body. Question 13, the example of shock absorbers of the vehicles is. Right answer है damped motion. Question 14, if the speed of a wave is 340 meter per second and wavelength is 0.5 meter, then frequency will be. Right answer है 680 Hz. Question 15, the type of waves are. Right answer है 2. Question 16, formula for the time period of mass attached to spring is. Right answer है t is equal to pi under root m over k. Question 17, ripple tank is a device used to produce. Right answer है mechanical waves. Question 18, formula to calculate time period of a pendulum is. Right answer है t is equal to pi under root l over g. Question 19, wavelength lambda of waves can also be defined as ratio of. Right answer है speed and frequency. Question 20, the SI unit of amplitude is. Right answer है m. Question 21, if length of a pendulum is 1 meter on earth, then its time period. Right answer है 2 seconds. Question 22, when L is equal 1.0 m, then the time period of simple pendulum is. Right answer है 1.99 second. Question 23, the relation between time, speed and distance is. Right answer है v is equal d over t. Question 24, in simple harmonic motion velocity at extreme position is. Right answer है 0. Question 25, radio waves are. Right answer है electromagnetic waves. Question 26, when a body moves to and fro about a point, its motion is called. Right answer है vibratory motion. Question 27, the number of waves passing through a point in 1 second is called. Right answer है frequency. Question 28, when did Christian Huygens invented the pendulum clock. Right answer है 1656. Question 29, a high frequency wave carries dash energy than a low frequency wave of the same amplitude. Right answer है more. Question 30, if the time period is given, then frequency is calculated as. Right answer है f is equal 1 over t. Question 31, distance between two consecutive compressions and rate fraction of waves is called. Correct answer है wavelength. Question 32, a wave moves on a slinky with frequency of 4 Hz and wavelength of 0.4 meter. Its wave speed will be, right answer है 1.6 meter per second. Question 33. The unit of frequency is, right answer है hertz. Question 34. Kinetic energy of mass spring system in maximum at, right answer है main position. Question 35. Vibrating bodies produce, right answer है compressional waves. Question 36. The formula of Hooke's law is, right answer है F is equal minus kx. Question 37. If the mass of spring mass system is doubled in its time period becomes, right answer है under root 2t. Question 38. The spring constant is, right answer है k is equal minus f over x. Question 39. Example of mechanical waves is, right answer है sound waves. Question 40. Last question है unit 10 का. When water waves enter the region of shallow water, their wavelength, right answer है decreases. Unit number 11. Sound. Question 1. Which is an example of longitudinal waves? Right answer है sound waves. Question 2. How does sound travel from its source to your ear? Right answer है by change in the air pressure. Question 3. Which form of energy is sound? Right answer है mechanical. Question 4. Astronauts in space need to communicate with each other by radio links waves. Right answer है sound waves cannot travel in space. Question number 5. The loudness of sound is most closely related to its, right answer है amplitude. Question 6. For a normal person, audible frequency range for sound wave lies between, right answer है 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question 7. When the frequency of a sound wave is increased, which of the following will decrease? Right answer है 1 and 2 दोनों, wavelength और period. Question 8. The intensity level of train siren is, right answer है 120 dB. Question 9. The intensity level of rustling of leaves is, right answer है 10 dB. Question 10. Sound level in dB is given by, right answer है 10 log I over I0 dB. Question 11. Intensity level of sound is equal to, right answer है k log I over I0. Question 12. If speed of a sound is 320 meter per second, the distance covered in a time of 1.5 second will be, right answer है 480 meter. Question 13. Speed of sound in air at 25 degrees Celsius is just, right answer है 346 meter per second. Question 14. The level of noise recommended in most countries hour at night hours day is usually, right answer है 85 to 90 dB. Question 15. The speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius is, right answer है 331 meter per second. Question 16. The sound level of whisper is, right answer है 30 dB. Question 17. The speed of sound in wood at 25 degrees Celsius in meters per second is, right answer है 2000. Question 18. One bell is equal to, right answer है 10 dB. Question 19. The speed of sound in distilled water at 25 degrees Celsius is in meter per second. Right answer है 1498. Question 20. The unit of intensity of sound is, right answer है watt meter per square. Question 21. The speed of sound in air is, right answer है 1246 km per hour. Question 22. Formula for finding speed of sound is, right answer है V is equal F lambda. Question 23. Longitudinal waves moves faster through, right answer है solid. Question 24. The intensity level of mosquitoes buzzing is, right answer 40 dB. Question 25. Which of these waves consist of compression and rarefaction? Right answer है sound waves. Question 26. The intensity level of vacuum cleaner is, right answer है 70 dB. Question 27. The characteristics of sound by which we can distinguish between two sound of same loudness and pitch is called, right answer है quality. Question 28. In general, the speed of sound is greater in, right answer है solid. Question 29. The pitch of sound mostly depend on, right answer है frequency. Question 30. Which organisms can hear sound of frequency up to 120,000 Hz? Correct answer है bats. Question 31. Calculate the frequency of sound wave of speed 340 meter per second and wavelength 0.5 meter. Right answer है 680 Hz. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें. यूनिट नंबर 12. ज्योमेट्रिकल ऑप्टिक्स. क्वेश्चन 1. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वांटिटीज इज नॉट चेंज ड्यूरिंग refraction of light? Right answer its frequency. Question 2. A converging mirror with a radius of 20 cm creates a real image 30 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस? राइट आंसर है -15 सेंटीमीटर। क्वेश्चन 3, एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ अ कनकेव मिरर, राइट आंसर है एट द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। क्वेश्चन 4, एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज 14 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कन्वेक्स मिरर, द इमेज इज 5.8 सेंटीमीटर बिहाइंड द मिरर, व्हाट इज द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर? राइट आंसर है -9.9 सेंटीमीटर। क्वेश्चन 5, द इंडेक्स ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन डिपेंड्स ऑन, राइट आंसर है द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट। क्वेश्चन 6, विच टाइप ऑफ इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ कनकेव लेंस ऑन अ स्क्रीन? करेक्ट आंसर है अपराइट एंड virtual। क्वेश्चन 7, डैश इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ कन्वेक्स लेंस ऑन अ स्क्रीन, राइट आंसर है इन्वर्टेड एंड रियल। क्वेश्चन 8, विच टाइप ऑफ इमेज इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कन्वर्जिंग लेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन आई इफ इट्स व्यू आर डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट आंसर है रियल, इन्वर्टेड, डायमेनिश्ड। क्वेश्चन 9, इमेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन अ कैमरा इज, राइट आंसर है रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड डायमेनिश्ड। क्वेश्चन 10, इफ अ रे ऑफ light in glass is incident on an air surface at an angle greater than the critical angle, the ray will, right answer है reflect only। Question 11, this critical angle for a beam of light passing from water into air is 48.8 degrees. This means that all light rays with an angle of incidence greater than this angle will be, right answer है totally reflected। Question 12, the refractive index of diamond is, right answer है 2.42। Question 13, the refractive index of ice is, right answer है 1.31। Question 14, critical angle of water is, right answer है 48.8 degree। Question 15, the human eye has, right answer है convex lens। Question 16, the value of refractive index of air is, right answer है 1। Question 17, the change in the focal length of the eye lens is called, right answer है accommodation। Question 18, the speed of light in water is approximately, right answer है 2.3 multiply 10 की power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड। Question 19, the speed of light in glass is, right answer है 2.10 की power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड। Question 20, the power of lens is reciprocal of, right answer है focal length। Question 21, the power of lens is equal to, right answer है 1/f। Question 22, in a convex mirror focus is, right answer है behind the mirror। Question 23, if p is equal 30 centimeter, q is equal -10 centimeter, then magnification will be, right answer है 1/3। Question 24, conditions for total internal reflections are, right answer है 2। Question 25, the formula for focal length is, right answer है f is equal r/2। Question 26, optical fibers work on the principle of, right answer है total internal reflection। Question 27, the refractive index of crown glass is, right answer है 1.52। Question 28, Snell's law is, right answer है n is equal sin I/sin r। Question 29, the refractive index is equal to, right answer है n is equal c/v। Question 30, the mathematical equation for magnification of compound microscope is, right option है D। Question 31, the principal focus of a concave mirror is, right answer है real। Question 32, if focal length of lens is 1 m then its power will be, right answer है 1D। Question 33, the endoscope which is used to examine throat is called, right answer है bronchoscope। Question 34, the critical angle of glass is, right answer है 42 degree। Question 35, light rays are reflected in a mirror causing you to see an dash image, right answer है inverted। Unit number 13, electrostatics। Option number 1, a positive electric charge, right answer है repels other positive charge। Question 2, an object gains excess negative charge after being rubbed against another object which is, right answer है negatively charged। Question 3, two uncharged object A and B are rubbed against each other when object B is placed near a negatively charged object C. The two objects repel each other. Which of the following statement is true about object A? Right answer है becomes positively charged। Question 4, when you rub a plastic rod against your hair several times and put, right answer है the rod and the paper are oppositely charged। Question 5, according to Coulomb's law, what happens to the attraction of two oppositely charged objects as their distance of separation increase? Right answer है decrease। Question 26, The Coulomb's law is valid for the charges which are, right answer है stationary and point charges. Question 27. A positive and a negative charge are initially 4 cm apart. When they are moved closer together so that they are now only 1 cm apart, the force between them is, right answer है 16 times larger than before. Question 28. 5 joules of work is needed to shift 10 C of charge from one place to another. The potential difference between the point is, right answer है 0.5 volt. Question 9. Two charge spheres are separated by 2 mm. Which of the following would produce the greatest attractive force? Right answer है plus 2q and minus 2q. Question 10. Electric field lines. Right answer है never cross each other. Question 11. Capacitance is defined as, right answer है q over v. Question 12. Capacitors are used to store. Right answer है charge. Question 13. The SI unit of electric potential is, right answer है volt. Question 14. The SI unit of capacitance is, right answer है farad. Question 20. Question 15. Give the number of factors which affected the ability of a capacitor to store charge. Right answer है 2. Question 16. If 3 capacitors of 3 pf, 4 pf and 5 pf are connected in parallel with a battery of 6 volt, total capacitance will be, right answer है 12 pf. Question 17. The value of K in Coulomb's law is, right answer है 9 multiplied 10 की power 9 Newton meter square C minus 2. Question 18. The SI unit of Coulomb's constant K is, right answer Newton meter square C minus 2. Question 19. Electroscope is used to detect, right answer है charge. Question 20. If 4 coulomb charge is given to the plates of a capacitor and potential between the plates is 2 volt, then its capacitance is, right answer है 2F. Question 21. To protect the gold leaves from external disturbances in an electroscope, a foil grounded is made of, right answer है aluminium. Question 22. If 4 joule of work is done on a 2 coulombs charge against the direction of electric field, the value of electric potential is, right answer 2 volts. Question 23. The electric lines of force were introduced by, right answer Faraday. Question 24. How will be the electric lines of force where electric field is strong? Right answer closer. Question 25. The formula of electric field intensity is, the mathematical form of electric intensity E can be written as, right answer E is equal F over Q naught. Question 26. In mica capacitor the dielectric is, right answer है mica. Question 27. Which device is used to store charge? Right answer capacitor. Question 28. The formula of electric potential is, right answer है V is equal W over Q. Question 29. The SI unit of electric field intensity is, right answer है NC minus 1. Question 30. Unit of charge is, right answer है coulomb. Question 31. If the medium between the two charges is air, then the value of K will be, right answer है N multiply 9 multiplied 10 की power 8 Newton meter square C minus 2. Question 32. Coulomb's law is, right answer है F is equal K Q1 Q2 over R2. Question 33. Each bolt of lightning contains the energy, right answer है 1000 million joule energy. Question 34. In series combination of capacitors, each capacitor will have the same, right answer है charge. Question 35. 1 microampere is equal to, right answer है 10 minus 6A. Question 36. The value of 1 nanofarad is, right answer है 1 multiplied 10 की power 9F. Question 37. Combination of capacitors are, right answer है 2. Question 38. Number of electrons that have 1 coulomb of charge is, right answer है 6.25 multiplied 10 की power 8. Question 39. In parallel combination of capacitors, each capacitor will have same, right answer है voltage. Question 40. Capacitors can be used to differentiate between high frequency and low frequency signals. Such circuit is called, right answer है filtered circuit. Chapter 13 का लास्ट ऑप्शन है क्वेश्चन 41. If 3 capacitors having capacitor 3 pf, 4 pf and 5 pf are connected in series combination, their equivalent capacitance will be, right answer है 1.3 pf. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. यूनिट नंबर 14 करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. क्वेश्चन 1, एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इन कंडक्टर्स इज ड्यू टू फ्लो ऑफ, राइट आंसर है फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। Question 2, what is the voltage across 6 ohm resistors when 3 ampere of current passes through it? Right answer है 18 volt. Question 3, what happens to the intensity or the brightness of the lamp connected in series as more and more lamp are added? Right answer है decreases. Question 4, why should household appliance be connected in parallel with the voltage source? Right answer है to provide each appliance the same voltage as the power source. Question 5, electric potential and EMF, right answer है are the same term. Question 6, when we double the voltage in a simple electric circuit we double the, right answer है correct. Question 7, if we double both the current and the voltage in a circle while keeping its resistance constant, the power, right answer है 4 times. Question 8, what is the power rating of lamp connected to a 12 volt source when it carries 2.5 ampere? Right answer है 30 volt. Question 9, two combined resistance of two identical resistors connected in series is 8 ohm. Their combined resistance in a parallel arrangement will be, right answer है 2 ohm. Question 10, the electric power of washing machine in watt is, right answer है 750. Question 11, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to, right answer है 3.6 meter joule. Question 12, the value of 1 kilowatt hour in joule is, right answer है 3.6 multiply 10 की power 6. Question 13, the unit of electric power is, right answer है watt. Question 14, in an electric circuit when electrons move from low to high potential they will, right answer है lose energy. Question 15, formula of EMF is equal to, right answer है is equal W over Q. Question 16, electrical energy is given by, right answer है QV. Question 17, 1 watt is equal to, right answer है joule per second. Question 18, an ideal voltmeter has a resistance, right answer है very high. Question 19, SI unit of resistance is, right answer है ohm. Question 20, if EMF of a battery is 2 volt, the energy supplied by battery is dash when 1 coulomb of charge flows through the closed circuit, right answer है 2 joules. Question 21, the rate of flow of charge is called, right answer है current. Question 22, the unit of electric current is, right answer है ampere. Question 23, the formula to find the magnitude of current is, right answer है I is equal Q over T. Question 24, the mathematical form of Ohm's law is, right answer है V is equal I R. Question 25, 1 milliampere is equal to, right answer है 10 minus 3 ampere. Unit 14 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है 26, the SI unit of EMF is, right answer है joule C minus 1. अगर आपने अब तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर एजुकेशनल वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. यूनिट 15, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म. Question 1, which statement is true about the magnetic poles? Right answer है a single magnetic pole does not exist. Question 2, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines inside a bar magnet? Right answer है from south pole to north pole. Question 3, the presence of a magnetic field can be detected by a, right answer है magnetic compass. Question 4, if the current in a wire which is placed perpendicular to a magnetic field increase, the force on the wire, right answer है increase. Question 5, a DC motor converts, right answer electrical energy into mechanical energy. Question 6, which part of DC motor reverses the direction of current through the coil every half cycle? Right answer है the commutator. Question 7, the direction of induced EMF in a circuit is in accordance with conservation of, right answer है energy. Question 8, the step up transformer increase the input voltage, right answer है increase the input voltage. Question 9, the turn ratio of a transformer is 10, it means, right answer है NS is equal 10 NP. Question 10, which thing works on the principle of electromagnetic induction in hydroelectric powerhouse? Right answer है generator. Question 11, transformer is used to change the value of, right answer है voltage. Question 12, a device which is used to increase or decrease the AC voltage, right answer है transformer. Question 13, in DC motor coil can rotate in magnetic field by an angle of, right answer है 90 degree. Question 14, on which principle induced EMF is produced in the secondary coil, right answer है mutual induction. Question 15, turn ratio in a transformer is 1:100. It means that, right answer है Vs is equal Vp over 100. Question 16, in a vacuum all electromagnetic waves have the same, right answer है speed. Question 17, Michael Faraday belong to, right answer है Britain. Question 18, laws of electromagnetic induction and electrolysis were presented by, right answer है Michael Faraday. Question 19, the transformer works on, right answer है principle of mutual induction. Question 20, the study of magnetic effect of current is called, right answer है electromagnetism. Question 21, which device is based on the principle of electromagnetism, right answer है electric motor. Question 22, it blocks DC current but allows AC current to pass through the circuit, right answer है capacitor. Question 23, the application of mutual induction is, right answer है transformer. Question 24, Michael Faraday discovered, right answer है both A and B, principle of electromagnetic induction and laws of electrolysis. Unit number 16, basic electronics. Question 1, the process by which electrons are emitted by a hot metal surface is known as, right answer है thermionic emission. Question 2, when we heat the metal at high temperature they emit, right answer है electrons. Question 3, the particles emitted from a hot cathode surface are, right answer है electrons. Question 4, the logical operation performed by this gate is, right answer है NAND. Question 5, AND gate can be formed by using two, right answer है NOR gates. Question 6, the output of a two input NOR gate is 1 when, right answer है both A and B are 0. Question 7, if x is equal A dot B then x is 1 when, right answer है A and B are 1. Question 8, if x is equal A dot B then x is equal 0 when, right answer है all of these. Question 9, the output of a NAND gate is 0 when, right answer है both of its input are 1. Question 10, number of input terminals is NOT gate is, right answer है 1. Question 11, in tungsten filament the potential given to produce the beam of electron by thermionic emission is, right answer है 6 volt. Question 12, the cathode ray oscilloscope consists of main parts, right answer है 3. Question 13, the output of OR gate will be 0 when, right answer है A is equal 0, B is equal 0. Question 14, the basic logic operation of NOT gate is called, right answer है inversion. Question 15, George Bullen invented, right answer है Bullen algebra. Question 16, the screen of a cathode ray tube consists of material called, right answer है phosphorus. Question 17, in CRO the potential of grid is, right answer है negative. Question 18, cathode rays have a charge, right answer है negative. Question 19, the equation of NOT operation is, right answer है x is equal A bar. Question 20, equation of AND operation is, right answer है x is equal A dot B bar. Question 21, if x is equal A plus B then x is equal 0, right answer है A is equal 0, B is equal 0. Question 22, the deflecting plate is a component, right answer है CRO. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. यूनिट नंबर 17, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. क्वेश्चन 1, इन कंप्यूटर टर्मिनोलॉजी इंफॉर्मेशन मीन्स, राइट आंसर है प्रोसेस्ड डाटा. Question 2, which is the most suitable means of reliable continuous communication between an orbiting satellite and Earth, right answer है microwaves. Question 3, the basic operations performed by a computer are, right answer है both A and C, arithmetic operations and logical operations. Question 4, the brain of any computer system is, right answer है CPU, central processing unit. Question 5, which of the following is not processing, right answer है manipulating. Question 6, from which of the following you can get information almost about everything, right answer है internet. Question 7, what does the term email stand for, right answer electronic email. Question 8, a megabyte has how many kilobytes, राइट आंसर है 1024। क्वेश्चन 9 1 KB इज इक्वल टू, राइट आंसर है 1024 बाइट्स। क्वेश्चन 10 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू, राइट आंसर है 8 बिट्स। क्वेश्चन 11 इन कंप्यूटर टर्मिनोलॉजी द टर्म मशीनरी रेफर्स टू, राइट आंसर है हार्डवेयर। क्वेश्चन 12 रेडियो वेव्स आर यूज्ड इन, राइट आंसर है ऑल ऑफ दीज। क्वेश्चन 13 1024 किलोबाइट्स आर इक्वल टू, राइट आंसर है 1 MB। Question 14 the computer based information system CBIS is formed by, right answer है 5। Question 15 which is not a hardware device, right answer है window। Question 15 Question 16 if CD is made of soft elastic material then it is called, right answer है floppy disk। Question 17 with broadband information can load it, right answer है in one day। Question 18 the technology used in cell phone or mobile phone is, right answer है radio। Question 19 telephone was first invented in, right answer at 1876। Question 20 it is a device used to transport files from one computer to another, right answer है flash drive। Question 21 radio waves are, right answer है electromagnetic waves। Question 22 radio technology is used in, right answer है cell phone। Question 23 a typical floppy disk has a storage capacity between, right answer है 1 to 3 MB। Question 24 example of primary memory is, right answer है random access memory RAM। Question 25 telephone system has parts, right answer है 2। Question 26 information strategies devices working on different principles use, right answer all of these। Question 27 CD stand for, right answer है compact disk। Question 28 Alexander Graham Bell in 1876 made, right answer है telephone। Question 29 the first radio signal transmitted through air by, right answer है Marconi। Question 30 1 gigabytes data is equals, right answer है 1024 MB। Question 31 which of these is not web browser, right answer है YouTube। Question 32 working principle of telephone is similar to, right answer है telegraph। Question 33 fax machine is also called, right answer है tail facsimile machine। लास्ट चैप्टर है यूनिट नंबर 18 atomic and nuclear physics। Question 1 isotopes are atoms of same element with different, right answer है atomic mass। Question 2 one of the isotope of uranium is 23892U। The number of neutrons in this isotope is, right answer है 146। Question 3 which among the following radiations has more penetrating power, right answer है gamma rays। Question 4 what happens to the atomic number of an element which emits a beta particle, right answer increased by 1। Question 5 the half life of a certain isotope is 1 day, what is the quantity of the isotope after 2 days, right answer है 1/4। Question 6 when uranium 92 protons eject a beta particles how many protons are left in the remaining nucleus, right answer है 93 protons। Question 7 in 235 92U 92 is the number of, right answer है neutrons। Question 8 release of energy by the sun is due to, right answer है nuclear fusion। Question 9 when a heavy nucleus splits into two lighter nuclei the process would, right answer release nuclear energy। Question 10 the carbon dating works on the principle of, right answer है after a plant or animal dies it stops taking in fresh carbon 14। Question 11 the half life of plutonium 23694 Pu in air is, right answer है 2.85। Question 12 to diagnose the brain tumor it is used, right answer है phosphorus -32। Question 13 atomic mass number can be found by relation, right answer है Z plus n। Question 14 the proton is heavier than an electron, right answer है 1836। Question 15 safe limit of radiations expired in 1 year is, right answer है 5 rem। Question 16 generally an element is represented by the symbol, right answer है AgX। Question 17 the half life of iodine isotope in days is, right answer है 8.07। Question 18 the half life of lead is, right answer है 10.6 hours। Question 19 the isotopes of hydrogen in number are, right answer है 3। क्वेश्चन 20 द हाफ लाइफ ऑफ कार्बन -14 इज राइट आंसर है 5730 ईयर्स। क्वेश्चन 21 द रेज यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग ब्रेन रेडियोथेरेपी आर राइट आंसर है गैमा रेज। क्वेश्चन 22 द न्यूक्लियर फिजन ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय राइट आंसर है स्ट्रेसमैन। क्वेश्चन 23 particles in the nucleus of an atom is right answer है protons and neutrons। क्वेश्चन 24 in titanium the number of neutrons are right answer है 2। क्वेश्चन 25 alpha particles have charge right answer है positive। क्वेश्चन 26 the half life of radium -226 is right answer है 1620 years। क्वेश्चन 27 atomic number is denoted by a symbol right answer है Z। यूनिट 18 का लास्ट ऑप्शन है 28 हाफ लाइफ ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज राइट आंसर है 12.3 ईयर्स। ये तमाम एमसीक्यूज पीडीएफ में सोल्ड और अनसोल्ड मौजूद हैं। अगर आप फ्री में ये नोट्स हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर रब्ता करें। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।